Welcome to the Lola Safe Space, the podcast by Navigating Joyful Tones. Sorry, nawala kami for a while, but we're back. We're so back with our season 2 for the podcast. And with that, I would like to welcome my co host presenting. Everyone is asking for her, and here she is now, my daughter, Rab. Siya na yan, siya yung nagbigay sa akin ng maraming inspirations and ideas sa lahat ng nangyayari in my life. For today's episode, para sa ating first episode for the second season, we are going to talk about ourselves first. Pero sa susunod na mga episodes, pipili ulit kami ng mga concerns na sinisend ninyo sa bit.ly/Lola Safe Space para maitakal namin as our topic for the podcast. Thank you very much for the continued support. And now we are going to introduce the spinning of the wheel para makahanap ng topic to discuss for this podcast.
Kaya ang topic namin for today, wala yung song.
Song?
Yung song ni Namjoon.
Okay, sige. It's about the song by RM, mga BTS Army. Here we go. Okay, it's entitled All Day by RM featuring Tableau. Oh, hindi ko siya kilala pero sabi ng anak ko. Yan, okay. So, in fact, nandito yan. So, wall na kinreate ng anak ko. So, what's this all about? Kasi hindi ako masyadong familiar, pero I really wanted to have some say about this topic also. Introducing Ram.
Parang nakaka-conscious ako at first sa sa camera. Pero parang gusto ko natural conversation lang tayo na parang walang mic. Walang mic, walang camera, walang audience. Ganun. Parang gusto kong ganun. Pero syempre ang hirap gawin pag meron ng ganyan. Explain ko ba muna kung what's all day all about? Or gusto mong pakinggan siya?
Sige, explain mo na lang muna siya kasi baka mga-copyright pa tayo, 'di ba? Oo. But alam niyo naman 'yan, familiar naman kayo sa song ng mga BTS, 'di ba?
Pull up ko lang yung lyrics ng song. All Day featuring Tableau by RM. Lyrics at the end of the track. Story of anyone stays present. Habang binabasa mo, pwede kong i-explain. So, parang yung song na to, una ko siyang na-discover through TikTok. Kahit pa favorite artist ko yan, tapos nag-release sila ng bagong song, hindi ko agad-agad pakikinggan. Parang may own timing din ako pagdating sa pakikinig ng music. Ganun. So, nakita ko nga yung All Day sa TikTok. Tapos, kaya na-curious ako sa kung ano yung full song, kung about saan yung full song. Kasi may clip doon na yung featured na artist sa kantang yan, si Tableau, parang may story siyang kinukwento as a way to introduce yung song na yon. So, parang sobrang nakaka-hook nung kwento niya na ang seamless pa nung transition from nagkukwento to plinay na yung intro ng song. Doon ko siya start pinakinggan na parang all day, on repeat yung all day. Isa siya sa mga on repeat kong songs. Kasi yung all day, hindi ko pa rin sinasabi kung about saan yan. Ang tagal kong intro. Pero yung all day, ano siya, yung description na yan, it's from the website by Dulcet Bangtan. Dito ako nagre-refer para sa mga English translation ng songs. Kasi Korean yung songs naman. It's about following one's own preferences and tastes. Gets mo ba yung part na yun?
Yeah.
Mm-mm. Parang kasi in today's age na AI, laganap yung AI. So parang importante, now more than ever, i-follow yung kung saan ka drawn to, kung saan ka attracted, yung sarili mong taste and preference as opposed to letting technology parang generate ideas for you. Parang ganun siya. Tapos aside from doon, parang ano yan sabi? It's also an homage to Epic High. yung pinapakinggan na song ni Yoongi, pati ni RM. Parang ito yung song na pinakinggan nila nung nangangarap pa sila of becoming a rapper. So, yun yung essence ng All Day. It's about, ayun nga, it's about AI and following your own taste and preference. Ano yung parang mga thoughts mo as I explained that?
For me, bilang old-timer nanay, always on the preferences, sa'yo yun eh. Kung ano ikaw, don't let anyone or any technology for that matter dictate your whatever it is that your preferences. It follows in life din eh, sa kahit anong bagay. 'Di ba? Kung ano yung preference mo, ikaw yun. So, yun ang dapat para sa'yo.
Tapos habang sinasabi mo yun, naisip ko rin, hindi naman ibig sabihin nito completely nating tataboyin yung technology. We can make it work for us pa rin. 'Di ba yung ang dami nating platforms and ideas. It's part of the creative process. Pero it doesn't necessarily mean na dedepende tayo sa AI para mag-generate ng ideas. Pwede siyang maging reference, inspiration, pero at the end of the day, sabi mo nga, 'di ba? Ikaw 'yun. Ikaw pa rin. So ayun.
Although, on the other part of it, we can never, yung reject the progress for whatever it is. Kasi we have to adjust eh. We have to adapt to whatever it is that, kung anong nangyayari around us. Kasi kung hindi din tayo mag-a-adjust at mag-resist tayo on the old school, so paano din yung progress? Pero the preferences has to come from within. Despite everything, dapat mananatili yung choices is from you and not from any influences for that matter.
Tsaka dapat talaga constant na nandyan yung preference and taste mo. Parang gagawin mo siyang North Star mo sa kung ano yung, kunyari, you are lost on what to do. Gawin mo, babalik at babalik ka to your own preferences eh. When you refer back to your own tastes and ideas, doon na magfo-flow yung even
Comes
more.
naturally.
Oo, yeah.
Everything comes naturally kasi nandyan na yan sa'yo eh. Pero yung mga nangyayari around the technology, make it as a tool for you to progress and make life easier without losing yourself in it. Oh, diba? This is our initial episode, everyone. I hope you like the conversation and looking forward to sharing our thoughts every podcast together with my daughter now that she has finally have the courage to be in front of the camera. So welcome her with a warm round of applause, everyone. Thank you very much. Until next time, looking forward to our successful, productive second season. This is episode 1. Thank you very much. Okay.
Paano pala yung introduction about sa kung saan to nagsimula, yung about family side? Sa next episodes na lang ba yun?
Yeah, so next episode.
Pag may topic na family.
Yes, oo. Ang dami naming ideas. Just, parang medyo teaser lang. Galing kami sa probinsya. Kung mapapansin ninyo na wala kami for a while. Galing kami sa probinsya. It was a short vacation. But at the same time, may purpose. Kasi meron kaming binisita na very close. In fact, my brother, na medyo hindi maganda ang sitwasyon niya. So, this is part of everything. At we will share that with you as we have this journey and this podcast. Kasi ang very important, sa kanya pala nanggaling lahat ng to. Oo, I would like to mention that this early. Ang galing nung taong yon. Nakakahinayang lang, 'di ba? Pero everything naman happens for a reason, at the more so oo, pag naramdaman mo yung regret, nandun yun na gusto mo pala i-change yung situation mo. Dapat, kung ano man yung hindi mo nagawa dun sa taong yon na hindi na siya available for you for now, do it in the next person para makabawi ka at mag-ripple ulit yung kung ano man meron ka na hold back dun sa tao na yun. Okay, thank you very much everyone for watching and looking forward to our next episode.